Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Manaim, and today I am making Affogato. This is a really easiest and delicious recipe in the world, so better try. So first you need espresso coffee. If you don't have, you can even use hot coffee. You need 2 scoops of ice cream. So first you will add some sprinkles. And pour the coffee. And then some Hershey syrup. And some pistachio. So now mix lightly, and here you go. You would mainly need 2 ingredients: espresso and vanilla ice cream, and the rest of the topping is all up to you. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and comment down below if any other video you would like me to make. So thank you for watching, and bye.